Amongst the many main courses of Italian cuisine, this is definitely one of my favorites. Tender, juicy beef morsels with a simple and tasty side dish. Stew with peas. I can't wait to prepare it. Let's start with the meat, the start of our stew. For long cooking, veal is ideal, because it cooks in a short time, it's tender, but it's costly. Otherwise you can use beef like we do. The first thing to do is drenching in flour the meat that I've already cut into pieces of 2-3 centimeters. Then I use a sieve to eliminate the excess. It's time to seal our pieces of meat in this pot, so a nice round of oil and a nice lively temperature. Let's dip the stew. A spatula to stir it well inside. The most suitable meat cuts, definitely the front ones like brisket, neck, muscle, shank or chuck. It's time to deglaze it with white wine. Let the alcohol cook off. I can add the chopped celery, carrot and onion. Let the soffritto flavor for a few moments. I cover it with hot vegetable broth. A color note with tomato paste and let's season with salt and pepper. Now I let the stew simmer for about 85 minutes covered with the lid. I suggest to check it from time to time and also to keep stirring and make sure the liquid is always sufficient. It looks just ready. There are only 5 minutes left, ideal for cooking the peas. There is a tasty extra something for the stew with the peas. At the end, just add some beaten eggs with salt, pepper and parmesan. It will become just like the egg and cheese lamb. At home we call it Pasquina stew. A last stir and I'm ready to serve. An easy and tastier main course than this can't be found. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano where you can find ingredients, doses and procedure explained step by step. And if you liked this video, please leave me a nice like and also a comment if you have any questions to ask. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to GialloZafferano channel to stay up to date with all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.